Alright, welcome to the channel, guys. So in this video we are going to look at the array.sum method, and basically what this does is that the sum method tests whether at least one element in an array passes a test that is implemented by a callback function. Okay, and so basically let me just show you how it works. So I'll come down here and I'm going to create a variable, and I'll just say result. And the reason why I'm actually separating this is that I want it to be clear. So for this, I'll just set it to ages.sum, and then I will just do this here. Okay, so I will then come down here and create a function. So basically that function is going to check the ages that fall under the adult range, that's 18 and above. Okay, and basically if it finds any age, it's going to return true. Okay, so basically I'll just come here and say function, and I'll say is adult, and I'm going to give it an item parameter here. And basically what do I want? I want to return, not return, but return. So I want to return, okay, maybe I should make this age, not necessarily an item, so because that's a better word. So I'll just return age that is greater than or equal to 18, and then I'll close. Now basically what I just need to do is to console.log my age, sorry, my results, and that is because I'm going to come here and pass in this as a callback here, and then let's save, and I'll run this and let's see. So you see here that we get true, and that's because we have at least one age here that is up to 18. So what I'll do is I would copy this and comment it out, and then I'll just come down here and paste it in one more time, but then I would get rid of all of the ages that are classified as an adult age. So okay, so basically we have just 16, 14 and 12. Okay, so I'll save that, and all of these ages are less than 18, so they're not going to meet this test here. Okay, so I'll run this and let's see what we get. Okay, so you see here we get false, and that's because we don't have any age that's up to 18. So basically that's how the sum function works, and in the next one we're going to look at a function that's closely related to this, and that is the every method rather. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you should actually hit the subscribe button, and please leave a like on this video, and see you in another one. Okay, I see